Good morning. Myself Manashri Rajendra Pimple and I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisa, studying in MMS second year. Today I am here to tell you something about job analysis. So first we will know what is a job analysis. Job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information related to the operation and responsibilities of the specific job. There is something that is right person for the right job at the right time and in the right place. This is a small message which we are giving from the job analysis. So in job analysis there are two main components, that are job descriptions and the job specification. So we will know what is a job description. Job description means the minimum skill, education and experience necessary for an individual to perform a job. So like that, the job specification is a written summary of tasks, duties and responsibilities of the job. So we will now know what are the difference between job description and job specification. So the job descriptions are job title and the name of the job. In job description, first we will know what is the job title and the name of the job. Then we will know working hours, how many working hours in the job. The employee will when he is searching for the job, then he will see the job description. In the job description he will first see the job title. What is the job title is what we have to work in. Second, working hours, what are the working hours we have to do, like 8 to 12 or the hours we have to see. Third is the duties and the responsibilities, what are the duties we have to do, what are the responsibilities we are going to face, that one. What are the working conditions, like that we will see in the job description. Then it is a salary, what are the salary will be given to us. And in job specification, it will given that what job specification is given by the company to then employee is what a qualification of the employee to select for the job. Then qualities of the employee, what are the qualities are there for doing that job, the qualities are there in the employee, that we will see. Then experience, how much experience he has. Then it will also see the family background, training and the interpersonal skills of that employee. Now we will see the methods of job employee. The methods of the job employees are observation method. First we will observe the employee or the trainee. For that interview, we will take the interview of the employee, or we will see that he is qualified for the job or not. Then structure a questionnaire, then we will set some questions and we will ask for that. Then work diaries, then some of the habits are that we have to write a work, how we will work down, how the manager is going down. Then third is the uses of job. What are the uses of job analysis? The uses of job analysis are in HR planning, recruitment and selection, orientation, job evolution, training and development, performance appraisal, health and safety, and career planning. The job analysis is used for this type. And the conclusion of the job analysis we are doing is the form of job analysis specific deals of what is the being done and the skills utilized in the job are obtained. Job analysis enables the managers to understand the job and job structures to improve the workflow or develop techniques to improve the productivity. Thank you for listening and watching my video. I hope you have understand it. Thank you.